वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे एल्गोरिथम के आगे एक्सप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम के आगे टाइप्स पढ़ेंगे। नेरेटिव, डिस्क्रिप्शन, फ्लो चार्ट एंड एल्गोरिथम लैंग्वेज। कंप्यूटर में जो एल्गोरिथम है उसके आगे टाइप्स पढ़ते हैं। एक्सप्रेसिंग एल्गोरिथम क्या होता है? Expressing an algorithm is a clear, easy to follow manner A to B is level opponent. It is a subcontinent transformation to a computer language, and it is documentation of the program after it has been completed. The latter aspect it particularly important stage in the programming process about which more can be said after you have experience developing or writing program. In the remainder of the section we represent several possible approaches to the expressing algorithm, including with separation across to be used throughout the book. For this purpose of illustration, consider of the following problem: a final grade in the course is computed as the average 4 marks received or test throughout the year. An algorithm is required to determine a student final grade and indicate or its passing or failure grade. आगे हम पढ़ेंगे रिलेटिव डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या होती है इन एल्गोरिथम। A straightforward method of expressing an algorithm is simplified to outline a step verbally revised verb, no example, or normally expressed in the fashion. Since apparently very little in the way of specialized training is required for always assess natural language is what an imprecise and often quite unreliable as a vehicle for transferring information. It is not possible to precise with natural language. That is difficult, however. Natural fact. In this fact, the basic of popular game that are used probably played as a child. The player are seated in a circle and the game began with one player whispering as a story to his neighbor. The neighbor in the turn passes the story on her neighbors and so around the circle. The last player that repeat the story aloud. The final version of the story usually break shockingly little similar to the original version. Because of imprecision of natural language, the danger of mis- misinterpretation or information loss looms large. Subtitle manners and shade of meaning may stimulate the reader imagination in a novel, but in technical writing, unclear details and can be quickly to error. The following attempt to describe the solution to the problem posed in a narrative fashion. While the solution to simplify a problem may be reasonably clear for you can see that solution to clear to larger problem rapidly become word and solution. For this another reason underlying natural language is unsuitable as a whole vehicle of expressing algorithm. ये हमें पता है डिस्क्रिप्टिव एल्गोरिथम की या डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या उसमें क्या फायदा होगा कि एल्गोरिथम किस तरह वर्क करेगा, एक लार्ज प्रोग्राम या लार्ज प्रॉब्लम को किस तरह शॉर्ट वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन करेगा। आगे आ गया फ्लो चार्ट क्या होता है? फ्लो चार्ट बेसिकली एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिसके लिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप किसी चीज़ को पैदा करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। इसमें शेप और सिंबल इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं। इन इट इज़ ऑफ्टन ईजियर टू कन्वे आइडियाज विद पिक्चर एंड विद वर्ड मैथ provide a convenient representation of the topology of a city and were often of more value and verbal direction to people who are lost. Assembly direction for a newly acquired piece of equipment are called are usually more comprehensible if diagram are included. An early attempt at providing a pictorial format for the description of algorithm involved the use of flow chart. A flow chart shows the logic that often emphasizing the individual step and their interconnection. That is the way that control for one action to the next. Over the year, a relatively standard symbolism emerged. A computation is represented a rectangle shape. A decision is resembled a diamond shape, and input and output is symbolizing the media used. The boxes are connected by directed line indicating the order in which they are uh, and interacting in which are the operation are to be carried out. A flow chart for the problem posed is shown in figure. Gradually, the attitude of computing progression toward the one most popular flow chart has cooled considerably. Flow chart does not represent constant syntax such as reaction and very well. Additionally, they are difficult to draw enough email to be useful in his book of Easy Until the Mythical North Moth Fabric and Frederick's Brooks offered that the flowchart is mostly thoroughly oversold piece of documentation. A study flowchart is most thoroughly oversold piece of documentation. A study led by Shipton of an India. A Shipton of an India, the throughout the flowchart very awesome by use consider unnecessary language to be awesome. New generation of program are being solid in new method of program development method to which flowchart is similar and add title. flowchart को basically प्रोग्रामर इस्तेमाल करते हैं एक किसी भी प्रोग्राम या बिग प्रोग्राम को एक स्ट्रक्चर देने के लिए और अपने आइडियाज़ को कन्वे करने के लिए। हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को दबा दें।